Hi everyone, my group will present about self-regulated and electrical egg pumping for mini aquaponic system for AGV 118 Introduction to Agricultural Technology. So I will introduce myself first. As the leader, my name is STANLEY. My group member is VANCE NEVILLE LINJUNGAN. Second is MOHAMMAD ISKANDAR. The third is JASMIRA. And the last one is Ervieyana.
Introduction. Innovation is the process of creating or improving ideas, products, or methods to solve problems or meet needs more effectively. It combines creative thinking with practical implementation to turn concept into reality. Innovation often arises in response to challenge, push boundaries, and something changing established norm.
Next, I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages. Plus, advantages. The first one is electricity conservation. Second is environmentally conscious. The third is reduce operating expenses. And number 4, innovation in recycling. And the last one, compact and easy to manage. Next is disadvantages. The first one is potentially less effective than electric system. Second is restrict output. The third is manual maintenance required. The last one is possible inconsistency in water flow and ventilation. Next, I will explain about the uniqueness of the project. The first one is they are in-one innovation combines mini aquaponic, which is non-electric oxygen pump and overflow system. Second is electricity-free aquaponics, which is a rare approach in a typically electricity-dependent field. The third is creative recycling. Repurpose everyday items for agricultural use. The last one is DIY approach, which is makes aquaponics more accessible to the public.
Okay, now I want to present about the key materials of our project. First is hot glue gun and glue stick. Next, mineral water bottles, 2 bottles 500 ml and 2 bottles 250 ml. Third is aeration tube for container and box storage. Next, soldering iron, stone and aquarium plants. And the last one is wood for the frame of our project. Next, the total cost we used to complete our project by using the materials that have been listed in the column above to make our project successful is RM41.
Today I'm going to share about our project development timeline. So on 3 April until 4 April, we do an initial brainstorming and idea selection, and the first presentation to Sir Alex, and the project was approved. To 27 April until 1 May, we do a material sourcing and purchasing from the shop. 9 May, we do a second presentation and to show our prototype planning to Sir Alex. 15 and 15 May, the first prototype construction and testing for the first time that we made. 23 May, the third presentation, we made a design improvement and showed to Sir Alex. On 6 June, fourth presentation, we made a problem solving for our prototype that we facing before we do a problem solving. So on 9 June, the final prototype was the completion.
I will be presenting about the challenges that we face. Firstly is material sourcing. Difficulty finding specific item, for example, is aeration tube and soldering iron. Next is design issues. The initial water flow and ventilation problem for our aquaponic system. Thirdly is technical difficulties, which is challenges in creating holes without proper tools. Fourth is balance of pressures, struggling with water and air pressure equilibrium. And lastly is multiply design iterations. We needed several adjustments to achieve the functionality of our aquaponics system. Next, I will be presenting about the solutions implemented. Firstly is alternative tools, where we use soldering iron for precise hole making for the design. Next is employed hot glue gun for sealing and repairs of our aquaponics system. Then is design modifications. Reposition bottles to improve water and airflow. Next is we upgrade our materials from small bottle to large bottles, which is 500 milliliter for overflow system. And next is iterative testing, where we conducted multiple tries to refine the design. And lastly is collaborative problem solving, where leverage teams' diverse skills to overcome the challenges that we face.
Okay, now let's look for the video final touch of our project innovation.
Okay, next, I will present about the lesson learned. The first lesson we learned is that teamwork is important because diverse skills contribute to innovative solutions. Next is the iterative design process, which is multiple revision lead to better results. And the third is creativity in the use of resource, as everyday items can be reused effectively. Next is patience and perseverance. This is because overcoming challenges require dedication. And lastly, environmentally friendly innovation. This thing can provide sustainable solution and can be effective and economical.
Next, future improvement. Future improvement have 5 key points, which is firstly is efficiency enhancement, optimize water and air flow mechanize. Second is material durability, which is explore longer lastly recycled materials. Third, scaling possibilities, which is investigates methods to increase system capacity. Next is plant variety, which is test system with different types of plant. Next is fish species compatibility, which is research other fish suitable for the system. For the conclusion, the self-regulates non-electricity air pumping for mini aquaponic system project developed by 5 group members represent an innovative approach to sustainable small-scale agriculture. Key points included in this assignment is innovative design, sustainability, problem solving, accessibility, and future potential. That's all from us. Thank you.